Hi everyone, we're here again at Bibingkang TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bibingkang Malagkit. This is similar to BIKO. The difference is it's oven baked and it has caramel sauce on top. So I'll show you now. In a large pan over medium heat, I'm going to pour the coconut cream. So I'm using 2 cans of coconut cream. Next, add ½ cup water. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of pandan flavor. Then I'm going to add the pre-washed glutinous rice, and I will cook this for about 10 minutes or until the rice is half cooked. Alternatively, you can cook the glutinous rice in your rice cooker. After 10 minutes or when the rice is half cooked, transfer it in a non-stick pan with coconut cream and continue to cook. Don't forget to stir it occasionally to avoid sticking from the pan. Now it's time to add the brown sugar. So I'm just gonna stir it until well combined. Then I will continue to cook this while stirring occasionally or until most of the liquid is absorbed. At this time, you should preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Bibingkang Malagkit is very similar to BIKO. The difference is that we're going to bake it with coconut caramel on top. Okay, so this is done. I'm now going to transfer it into a pan. Then using a spatula or wooden spoon, I'm going to flatten it evenly. Okay, so it's all good. I'm now going to set it aside. To make the coconut caramel sauce, I'm going to use a pan over medium heat, and I'm combining the coconut milk and brown sugar. Now I'm going to stir it until well combined, and I'm going to cook this until it's very thick, yet it is spreadable. This is the consistency that we want to achieve, so I'm going to turn off the heat now. Next, I'm going to pour the coconut caramel sauce, and I will spread it evenly on top of the cooked rice.
I'm spreading it evenly using a spatula. Now it's time to bake it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until the top is firm. It's done and you can see it has a nice dark brown color. Now we're going to let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. When it's completely cool, you can start slicing it. This Bibingkang Malagkit is a classic favorite Pinoy kakanin that you won't get tired of because of the sweetness and the texture that would really get into your system, and it may actually leave you craving for more.
That's our Bibingkang Malagkit. It's easy to make, and if you have any suggestion that you would like me to do on my next video, just comment it below. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to get the full recipe, just visit our website at www.bakaingpinoytv.com. And don't forget to follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at BIKO TV1. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!